Welcome to Math Magic Concepts. In this session we shall look at number patterns. Just like growing picture patterns, we have growing number patterns. Can you recognize the following number pattern, and complete the series?
Well, to recognize the pattern, let's find the difference between the two numbers in the sequence. 41 minus 21 is equal to 20. 61 minus 41 is equal to 20. 81 minus 61 is also equal to 20. 101 minus 81 is also equal to 20. So the rule is, we have to add 20 to get the next number. We get 121 by adding 20 to 101. We get 141 by adding 20 to 121, and so on.
Wonderful. It is always useful to find the difference between the two numbers in the sequence to recognize the pattern. Remember, you must not jump to the conclusion soon after finding the difference between the first and the second number. You must find the difference for at least 3 to 4 pairs of numbers to identify the rule. How about the following sequence of numbers? Identify the rule and continue the sequence.
To recognize the pattern, let's find the difference between the two numbers in the sequence. 56 minus 51 is equal to 5. 61 minus 56 is equal to 5. 66 minus 61 is also equal to 5. So the rule is, we have to add 5 to get the next number. We get 71 by adding 5 to 66. We get 76 by adding 5 to 71, and so on.
Excellent. Identify the rule and continue the sequence for the following numbers.
To recognize the pattern, let's find the difference between the two numbers in the sequence. 28 minus 21 is equal to 7. 35 minus 28 is equal to 7. It appears this sequence is got by adding 7 to previous numbers. To test, we add 7 to 7, and we get 14, which is the missing number. When we add 7 to 14 we get 21. So the rule is correct. It is nothing but the numbers we get in 7 multiplication table.
Fantastic. How about the following sequence? Identify the rule and continue the sequence.
Wow! This is a sequence with both numbers and letters. To recognize the rule, let's observe the number sequence first. They are nothing but simple number series. The letters are also simple alphabet series. The numbers increase by 1, and the alphabet also moves by 1. So add 1 to number, and replace letter with next alphabet to get next entry. Here are the next entries applying this rule.
Excellent. Here is the next one. Identify the rule and continue the sequence for the following numbers.
To recognize the pattern, let's find the difference between the two numbers in the sequence. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Difference between the numbers is increasing by 1. So we must add 1 more than the previous difference to get the next number. We get 15 by adding 5 to 10. We get 21 by adding 6 to 15, and so on.
Fantastic. Identify the rule and continue the sequence for the following numbers.
To recognize the pattern, let's find the difference between the two numbers in the sequence. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. So we have 2, 4, 6 as difference. Difference is increasing by 2. So we must add 2 more than the previous difference to get the next number. By adding 8 to 12 we get 20. By adding 10 to 20 we get 30, and so on.
Well done. Here is the next one. Identify the rule and continue the sequence for the following numbers.
To recognize the pattern, let's find the difference between the two numbers in the sequence. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Difference between the numbers is increasing by 2. It is similar to previous pattern, except it is starting from 1, while the previous one started from 0. So we must add 2 more than the previous difference to get the next number. By adding 8 to 13 we get 21. By adding 10 to 21 we get 31, and so on.
Excellent. Identify the rule and continue the sequence for the following numbers.
To recognize the pattern, let's find out the difference between the two numbers in the sequence. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. 18 minus 11 is equal to 7. So we have 1, 3, 5 and 7 as difference. Difference is increasing by 2. So we must add 2 more than the previous difference to get the next number. By adding 9 to 18 we get 27. By adding 11 to 27 we get 38, and so on.
Well done. There is a specific number pattern called odd and even numbers. Let's learn about them. Numbers in gray cells 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on, are called odd numbers. Can you observe these numbers and tell some of the rules to form odd numbers?
Well, these numbers are increasing by 2. So by adding 2 to previous number we get the next number. Also they always end with 1, or 3, or 5, or 7, or 9.
Excellent. We can continue this pattern forever. So after 99 we get 101, 103, 105 and so on. Numbers in yellow cells 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on, are called even numbers. Can you observe these numbers and tell some of the rules to form even numbers?
Well, these numbers are again increasing by 2, just like odd numbers. So by adding 2 to previous number we get the next number. But, unlike odd numbers, even numbers always end with 2, or 4, or 6, or 8, or 0. And we can continue this pattern forever. So after 100 we get 102, 104, 106 and so on.
Fantastic. Here is the last exercise. Let's visit the Secret Service Agency of RAW. Amrita and Paritosh are writing secret messages. Can you tell what they are trying to say?
Wow, RAW, the Research and Analysis Wing of Indian Secret Service. The message is all coded. Let me try to decipher. 3W, 3H, 3E, 3R. Looks like there are too many 3s. I will separate 3s from the rest. Aha, boy is saying, "Where are you?" and the girl is responding, "In the canteen." It is just a conversation.
Excellent. As you can see, we can use complex patterns to send secret messages. With this we have come to the end of lesson, playing with patterns.